Imagine a battlefield where decisions are made in milliseconds, drones operate autonomously, and intelligence systems predict threats before they happen. Israel is turning this vision into reality in 2025, pioneering AI technologies that are reshaping defense. Stay with us as we reveal the cutting-edge innovations driving Israel's military into the future. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most fascinating aspects of modern defense, artificial intelligence, and how Israel is leveraging it in 2025 to gain a strategic technological edge. Israel has long been recognized as a global leader in defense technology, but the integration of AI is taking this reputation to unprecedented levels. From autonomous drones to predictive analytics and command systems, AI is no longer just a tool, it's a force multiplier, transforming how defense operations are planned, executed, and monitored. This rapid evolution is not just about increasing firepower or efficiency, it's about creating systems that think, adapt, and respond faster than human operators ever could. In 2025, Israeli AI defense initiatives are particularly focused on three core areas: autonomous robotics, advanced surveillance and intelligence processing, and integrated command systems that synchronize land, air, and naval assets seamlessly. Each of these domains demonstrates how AI is revolutionizing decision-making, situational awareness, and operational efficiency. As we go through this video, you will see concrete examples of AI systems currently deployed or in development, including drone swarms capable of complex maneuvers, AI-driven threat detection platforms, and predictive algorithms that anticipate enemy movements. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of how Israel is shaping the future of defense with AI at its core. One of the most visible and impactful AI advancements in Israel's 2025 defense landscape is autonomous drones. These drones are no longer simple remote-controlled machines. They are now equipped with AI processors capable of real-time decision-making. Autonomous drones can navigate complex terrain, identify targets, and coordinate with other drones to execute synchronized operations without direct human intervention. Israel's military has been testing drone swarms that can self-organize, adapt to unexpected threats, and even prioritize targets based on AI-driven assessments. The integration of computer vision and machine learning allows these drones to detect vehicles, structures, or individuals while distinguishing between and civilians. Additionally, these systems are highly modular, meaning the drones can switch between reconnaissance, support, or defensive roles dynamically. AI-enabled communication ensures that drones share data with command centers and with each other, creating a networked intelligence system where each unit amplifies the capabilities of the swarm. The implications of this technology extend beyond traditional combat scenarios. For instance, autonomous drones can monitor border areas, track smuggling activities, and support disaster response missions, providing real-time situational awareness. The 2025 generation of Israeli drones also integrates cybersecurity measures to prevent hacking or remote manipulation, ensuring operational integrity in contested environments. Overall, autonomous drones illustrate Israel's strategic focus on combining AI with robotics to enhance both intelligence and tactical capabilities. Israel's AI advancements are not limited to physical hardware, they also dominate the realm of intelligence and surveillance. Modern AI algorithms process massive volumes of data from satellites, drones, sensors, and human sources, turning raw information into actionable insights. In 2025, Israel is deploying machine learning systems capable of detecting patterns that human analysts might miss, predicting potential threats, and prioritizing actionable intelligence. This is particularly crucial in urban environments where complex social and physical landscapes make traditional surveillance challenging. AI-driven systems can analyze video feeds, social media signals, and communication networks to anticipate movements or uncover hidden networks. Moreover, natural language processing tools allow analysts to quickly interpret foreign communications or documents, accelerating the decision-making process. These technologies are integrated into national command centers, where AI continuously updates threat assessments and recommends strategic actions. Another major development is AI-powered anomaly detection. By learning normal patterns of activity, the systems can flag deviations, whether it's unusual vehicular movement, unrecognized drone signals, or unexpected electronic emissions. This proactive approach significantly reduces response times and enhances Israel's ability to maintain situational awareness over extended areas. Beyond defense, these AI surveillance systems are being adapted for civilian applications, including disaster management, border security, and emergency coordination, highlighting the versatility of AI as a force multiplier across multiple sectors. As defense increasingly relies on digital networks, Israel has made AI-powered cybersecurity a central pillar of its 2025 defense strategy. Traditional cybersecurity methods struggle against sophisticated attacks, but AI introduces adaptive systems that can predict, detect, and neutralize cyber threats autonomously. Israeli AI cyber defense platforms monitor network traffic in real time, recognizing abnormal behavior and automatically deploying countermeasures to prevent breaches. This includes detecting malware, stopping ransomware attacks, and protecting critical defense infrastructure. One key feature of these AI systems is their ability to learn from past attacks. By analyzing patterns and tactics used in previous intrusions, AI models can anticipate future attempts, creating a proactive defense posture. Additionally, AI is integrated into command networks to secure communication channels between units, drones, and headquarters. The automation of cybersecurity tasks reduces the burden on human operators and ensures faster responses critical in high-stakes situations. Israel's approach also emphasizes simulation and testing. AI systems can replicate potential attack scenarios, allowing defense teams to train and refine strategies without risking real assets. Overall, the integration of AI in cyber defense strengthens both operational security and strategic resilience, ensuring that digital threats do not undermine Israel's technological edge in defense operations. Predictive AI is at the heart of Israel's strategic innovation in 2025. Unlike reactive systems, predictive AI analyzes historical, environmental, and real-time data to forecast potential threats before they materialize. This capability allows military planners to make preemptive decisions, allocate resources efficiently, and avoid high-risk scenarios. For example, AI models can track patterns in enemy movements, supply routes, or electronic emissions to estimate when and where an attack may occur. Israel combines predictive algorithms with geospatial intelligence, using satellite imagery and sensor networks to generate comprehensive threat maps. These AI-generated forecasts are continuously updated, enabling commanders to adapt plans dynamically. One remarkable application is in missile defense. Predictive AI can anticipate trajectory patterns, optimize interceptor deployment, and reduce reaction times, effectively improving defense efficiency. Additionally, predictive systems are used to manage logistics, predict maintenance needs for critical equipment, and identify potential vulnerabilities in infrastructure. The integration of predictive AI across multiple layers, operational, tactical, and strategic, represents a significant leap in defense intelligence. By anticipating scenarios rather than merely responding to them, Israel demonstrates how AI can shift the balance in favor of proactive decision-making, creating both tactical advantages and strategic foresight that few nations can match. Command systems in Israel's 2025 defense framework are becoming fully AI-enhanced, creating a seamless link between intelligence, operational units, and decision makers. These systems integrate data from land, air, sea, and cyber domains, offering commanders a real-time, comprehensive operational picture. AI algorithms prioritize threats, suggest tactical options, and provide risk assessments, significantly reducing human error and decision lag. This is particularly critical in high-intensity environments where milliseconds can determine success or failure. Israeli AI command platforms are designed to handle multi-domain operations, allowing simultaneous coordination of drones, armored units, naval vessels, and missile defense systems. The AI continuously learns from operational feedback, refining strategies, and improving future responses. Another innovation is the use of digital twins, where AI simulates battlefield scenarios based on real-time data, enabling commanders to test strategies without actual deployment. These systems also integrate secure communication protocols and encryption, ensuring data integrity and operational security. By leveraging AI in command structures, Israel achieves a level of synchronization that maximizes efficiency, enhances situational awareness, and strengthens overall force readiness. Essentially, AI becomes the nervous system of modern defense, connecting sensors, operators, and decision makers into one cohesive intelligence-driven ecosystem. In addition to drones, Israel is advancing autonomous ground vehicles in 2025, reshaping traditional land operations. These AI-driven vehicles range from reconnaissance units to supply carriers and unmanned combat platforms. Equipped with advanced sensors, AI navigation systems, and obstacle avoidance capabilities, these vehicles can traverse complex terrains without direct human input. One key feature is swarm coordination, where multiple vehicles operate together to conduct patrols, support infantry, or secure perimeters. AI systems manage task allocation within the swarm, adapting to changing battlefield conditions and optimizing operational efficiency. Ground robotics also include autonomous maintenance and logistics vehicles, which transport equipment, ammunition, and medical supplies, reducing human exposure in dangerous zones. Integration with AI command centers ensures real-time communication, situational updates, and operational feedback. Israel is also experimenting with hybrid systems where human operators can override AI when necessary, combining human judgment with autonomous efficiency. The adoption of robotic ground vehicles not only enhances safety, but also increases operational tempo, allowing forces to respond faster and more effectively. These innovations showcase how AI extends beyond aerial platforms, embedding intelligence across the entire defense landscape. Israel is not limiting AI applications to land or air. Naval operations have also seen significant AI integration in 2025. AI-driven systems enhance maritime surveillance, threat detection, and fleet coordination. Unmanned surface vessels, USVs, and autonomous underwater vehicles AUVs can conduct reconnaissance, monitor shipping lanes, and detect potential threats without risking human crews. These platforms leverage AI for real-time decision-making, obstacle avoidance, and target identification. Naval command centers integrate AI to monitor and manage fleet movements, optimize patrolling routes, and coordinate defensive measures. Predictive algorithms help anticipate hostile maneuvers, detect underwater anomalies, and provide early warning for missile or torpedo threats. Additionally, AI systems analyze maritime data from satellites, radars, and sonar networks, generating actionable intelligence for strategic planning. The combination of unmanned vessels and AI command systems increases operational coverage, reduces response times, and enhances overall maritime security. Israel's investment in AI for naval operations underscores the holistic approach to defense modernization, where technology integration spans air, land, and sea, ensuring dominance across all domains. The rise of AI in defense raises important ethical and strategic considerations. Israel has been actively addressing these issues, ensuring that AI deployment adheres to international norms and ethical guidelines. Autonomous systems are designed with human oversight mechanisms, ensuring accountability and preventing unintended consequences. Strategically, AI provides Israel with a deterrence advantage as adversaries are aware of its predictive, autonomous, and intelligence-driven capabilities. However, the rapid pace of AI integration also demands careful management to prevent escalation, miscalculations, or technological vulnerabilities. Israel's approach combines innovation with caution, implementing AI as an enabler rather than a replacement for human judgment. Additionally, there is an emphasis on dual-use technologies, which can serve both defense and civilian purposes, promoting national security while supporting economic and technological growth. By addressing ethical considerations alongside operational effectiveness, Israel sets a model for responsible AI integration in modern defense. Looking ahead, Israel's AI advancements in 2025 are just the beginning. The integration of artificial intelligence across all defense domains points to a future where decision-making is faster, operations are more precise, and situational awareness is unparalleled. Emerging technologies such as quantum computing, advanced machine learning, and human AI collaboration platforms are expected to further enhance capabilities. Israel continues to invest in research, development, and testing, ensuring that its AI systems remain at the cutting edge. The goal is not just to maintain military superiority, but to create a flexible, adaptive, and resilient defense ecosystem. By combining autonomous systems, predictive intelligence, and integrated command platforms, Israel is shaping a future where AI becomes an essential component of national security strategy. The lessons learned in 2025 will influence global defense practices, demonstrating how technology and strategic foresight can redefine modern defense. If you found this exploration of Israel's AI advancements in defense fascinating, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on cutting-edge military technology. Also, comment below your thoughts. Which AI innovation do you think will have the biggest impact in the coming years?